Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. We're in the lovely Zante and we're in Tsilivi and we're going to take a little walk to the shop and then see the beach. So let's see Wagwan, you all know the vibe. Yeah, we arrived, what time was it yesterday? Sort of later in the evening, wasn't it?
We got here for just before 9 p.m. I saw the queues in passport control. It wasn't that bad, it's like a normal... I don't think there was many, there's a lot of TUI planes just landed. I don't think there was too bad, but we didn't have to because we went from Athens, we went straight through, no issues. So, yeah, nice for us.
The olive trees. Very nice.
So if you know where we are, just off the main road into Tsilivi.
Nice lemon tree over there as well. Yeah, the plane journey was on one of those little planes, wasn't it? The little propeller ones.
Yeah. Olympic Air.
Olympic Air, yeah.
Sabrina sounds a bit groggy today.
Yeah, I feel like I've got a bit of a, I don't know if it's the plane or I've got a little bit of a cold.
Good to meet her.
Summer cocktails there. I think all the travelling is getting to me, all the late nights, but it was really, I don't want to say cold, the roads was really chilly at night. And I wasn't expecting that, so I didn't have a lot of sort of like warmer clothes. And I think, yeah, just sitting outside in the cold was giving me a little bit of a blocked nose.
Could be the air conditioning, could be anything.
Yeah, I've been on a lot of flights, so it's a combination. And then obviously all the sort of late nights and stuff, early mornings. So today's definitely had a little bit of a lay-in. I say a little bit of a lay-in, but just relaxed a little bit more, take it easy today. I think my body's trying to tell me something.
Doubt it. Doubt that's what will happen. But you can dream.
I can.
So it says
Nice
Plaza
one.
Palace. Was that the left one or the right one? Oh, that's this one. Plaza Palace.
So it's coming out to sort of like the main, I wouldn't say main, is it main high street?
Yes, main road, yeah. Yeah, there's like two main roads in Tsilivi. Maybe there's three.
Place says it's got a Sambuca bar, not good.
Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Sweet revenge, eh?
Yeah, really nice.
Yeah. Spinny girls very nice. Yeah, we're going to take a right, head down towards the beach. We're going to go to the shop just here. Oh, what's that one? Is that a shop? Big shop now?
It's like
Oh, souvenir shop.
souvenir, yeah.
Right. So it's up here to the left of the shop I want to go to. But what we'll do, I'll quickly pan you around so you can see. Normally there's like I'll walk up here so you can quickly see the shop. But normally that's where the little donkey man is sat at night time with his horse. Bit out of order in the summer. But yeah, it's a little shop just in there. See the supermarket over there, that's the shop that we're going to go to. That's nice fresh stuff.
Yeah.
This bar here is the one that got closed down last year.
Well, for the time we were here.
Yeah, they got closed down. That's what it was. Not a lie or anything. They got caught out. Get them in there. So yeah, get all your excursions here, get your cars and everything.
Yeah, it's down to the music, wasn't it?
Yeah, they have restrictions on music now. So yeah, they got shut down last year. For I think like a week, wasn't it? Or a week and a half?
Yeah, well, the whole time we were here, it didn't reopen. I think it was like a 2-week ban.
Yeah. So at night time, all these restaurants look amazing at night time. Look good now, but night time they look extra special.
Yeah, all the lights and everything, they look really romantic, don't they?
So best choice everywhere, car rental. That wasn't that last time, so that's newer. I think, anyway, guys. Labyrinth is there. Let me know what your favourite restaurant is in Tsilivi. Where is the best place? And, well, this is actually our last day in Tsilivi. We got it last night. And we're off See one tomorrow, down to Lagos. Going straight down there. Got 3 nights in Lagos. Then we've got 3 nights in Kalamaki, yeah. And then nice to go supermarket here, guys. But it's a little one. The other one's a lot bigger.
It's more
get
like
all
a
your
convenient one, isn't
your
it?
groceries, everything you need. So, what's going on here? Putting in a new lamppost. So yeah. So you've got Greek popular art there. And this place has got a new front on it. Let me pull back so you can see. It's brand new front to this building. We didn't watch the football in here last season. And
Yeah, it's all changed, isn't it?
yeah. But you've got to update your stuff. Here's the lovely, lovely church. The smallest church in.
You have a little shop as well.
That was the smallest church in Zakynthos though. This place here does the worst exchange rates ever. Look, check that exchange rate. It did it last year and they're doing it this year. Look at that, 107. What a rip off. Right, we're going this way, Sweden. We're not going to go that way. You can go to the beach as well.
Yeah.
There's a few apartments down there, big hotel, We're going to go this way. This is the way you will walk. In this bakery, in this shop here, sorry, they got lovely donuts. Everyone sells the donuts, fresh made donuts, but
That one's really good.
that one's really good. Made quite a few last year, staying here. So, we got this swimming
Yeah,
at
this
Tom
one's
and
got a pool,
John's.
isn't it? We've been there before.
Yeah, Tom and John's, very good.
It's got a public pool, so if you haven't got a pool at your apartment or hotel, then you can use this one.
Yeah.
It's quite nice. And then obviously straight ahead you got the beach. If you don't want a pool, you can go to the sea.
Little convenience store on the right as well. Is it done up as well? I think this one's been done up as well. I don't remember it being so thin.
Yeah,
Good
it's
to meet her.
really nice around here, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
much of it. Yeah, it's changed, yeah, definitely. A little bit of wind, a bit chilled. So yeah. If you remember, guys, let me know in the comments if it's changed. 'Cause I'd definitely say that's changed, yeah, because they've got all the pipework coming out there. So yeah, looking really nice.
Yeah, it's the first thing I've noticed actually since, well, I haven't been to the rest of the island, but very clean. Everything's looking really nice in Tsilivi, so very good. Makes a difference, doesn't
A
it?
bit more older tourists up here, so I think they older tourists come a little bit earlier in the season. We're not older, but mid-older, I'd say. But yeah, we normally come March, April. Well, that's when we first came here, and yeah, stunning weather. But let me know if you think the weather's changed this year. It's absolutely changed everywhere. It's a bit different.
Yeah, it is a bit different.
So yeah, it's a bit different this year. I thought the weather was going to be a bit more of a warmer. It's normally May, mid-May as well. We're coming into June next month. Next month is going to be roasting. I've seen the weather forecast for next month. Absolutely roasting. But right now it's really strange. Everywhere we've been so far, everyone's complaining that the weather's not right this year. If you look into it a little more, there's a El Nino and Nino, something about the water warming. So this means we're going to have a longer summer. So you might not have it right now, but into November and October it's going to be really nice.
It's a nice little pool bar that side as well.
Yep. We went in there, had a few beers before, didn't we?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Nice public
And
one.
then this one here, everyone likes to see this place. What is this one called? The Secret Beach Club or something like that. It's really nice. And yeah, not so packed at the moment. It's not really that early either. And look, you can see in the distance, it's like Catalonia.
Yeah,
Very
really
beautiful.
windy, choppy out there today, isn't it?
What is the water?
The water, yeah.
Doesn't look choppy. Looks
It's
quite...
usually a little bit calmer than that.
Oh, you mean still?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is fine though. It's not really. Oh no. So yeah, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. hit that hype button. Really, really helps us. Share the video to any of your family friends. I want to give a big shout out to Al. Want me to give you a shout out, Al? So I did it, mate. I remembered just about. And yeah.
I'll see you guys on the next one.